It is hot today. Holy smokes, I just got done with work and I'm sweating like a pig. I didn't even think that I was sweating that bad, and then I went to go put my gear on to leave and I realized how drenched I was. Holy cow. I mean, I am exhausted. Whew. I gotta thank God for the clouds and a little bit of wind today though, because when the cloud rolled over the sun and I got some shade and a little bit of a breeze, oh man, it was nice. And now tomorrow it's supposed to be a little bit cooler and it's supposed to be like storming all day. So I'm gonna have to decide if I want to take the bike or not, which I really don't mind riding in the rain. I really don't. I kind of like it actually. But my only concern is that I don't, like I said, I don't mind riding in the rain, but I don't really want to get to work and already be soaked. I don't mind if I'm coming back from work and just going home and I get wet in the rain, because then I can just, I'm home or whatever. I can just change out of that wet clothes. But riding to work is a little bit of a different story. Unless I bring a change of clothes, but that would just kind of be dumb. So if it's not, usually what I say is if it's not actively raining when I have to leave for work, I'll take the bike. Because usually there's enough of a window that I can get to work and stay dry, or relatively dry. So I'm kind of wondering if it is raining in the morning when I have to leave, but it's not too bad, I might honestly just throw on my suit, throw on the full suit and go to work. Like, just throw my work boots in my backpack, and then when I get to work I can just take the whole suit off and then I'll be dry underneath. The only thing is that my suit's gonna get soaked and then it's gonna have to dry out, and I doubt it would dry out because I can park inside of a garage at work, and so like my suit wouldn't be getting wet all day, but it's gonna be humid all day, so it probably really wouldn't dry out. So then I'd be putting on a wet suit. It'd be like putting on wet swim trunks. Oh my goodness. Like, chat, it's so warm today. Holy smokes. I'm riding here. I got a cut-off shirt underneath my vest here. And my vest is mesh. I think you can see it in my right side mirror there. And it's like, so I'm still I'm getting a good amount of wind right now. But the wind is so hot still. It's like, I thought I'd be cooling down after leaving work. I thought I could hop on the bike and cool down, which, don't get me wrong, it's definitely, I've gotten the sweat off me now. But holy cow, is it still warm. I cannot wait to get home and get some cool air conditioning. Because we have that here in America, and it's awesome. Because that's what we get with freedom, baby! We get AC! Speaking of freedom, look at this guy's truck! Look at this guy's truck, is that a bald eagle? Heck yeah, brother! Alright chat, we're gonna see if there's gonna be an officer of the law up here on this corner. Quite a few times in the past week I've seen him sitting up here, so we're gonna make sure we come to a complete stop sign. Is he there today? He is not. But there is that guy. Still didn't put my foot down though. Now sometimes there's one up here at this wayside as well. So I always try to slow down around that wayside. Wayside. Usually I'd be able to see him by now, so I don't think he's there. Oh, nope, he is. Give him a little wave. Because it's freaking hot. I don't think he's coming after me. I wasn't going that fast. I wasn't even tucked. Hopefully that guy understands that, you know, it's the hottest day of the year so far. And there's no traffic, so I'm cruising. Hopefully he gets that. If he was trying to get me, he'd be right behind me by now. How much you want to bet I could take this corner at 90? Oh yeah, like it's nothing. Also, I slowed down to 80.